Alright, too. Just want to give you a quick update on the Savage, right? So I went ahead and got these super heavy duty wide axles. I had got some in a grab bag one time and threw them on the rail not too long ago. I believe it was the last one. I just forgot to mention it. And the car don't flip or nothing no more. So I figured I'll go ahead and grab some for the front. So I'm gonna throw these on and we'll get it back out. So these come on the Savage XL. As y'all know, mine is the standard one, so we're gonna make it a little bit wider. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I wasn't even gonna do this, but I said let me just show y'all quick how-to on this. That's a battery though. Alright, too. This is not a how-to, just showing you something. But this was the side I just took out. It's only two bolts. Bolt go here and the bolt go at the bottom. And then you pop that out. Your axle comes out. And you just throw in the longer one. Alright, now this is a size comparison. Show y'all how long more it makes it. Right there, bam. And then this gonna go here to compensate for all of the space that's gonna be there. Alright, I had did it in the back already, so. But the back one came with purple ones, these came with silver. It don't matter to me. But I got two, so I'm gonna just throw this in there and I'm gonna show y'all the difference. Alright, just to show y'all the difference, that's how it will stick out now. And this is how it used to stick out. So you see the back how wide it is? So hopefully the front and the back gonna be the same size now. And, let me gotta finish it up. Alright, y'all, I just want to show y'all how wide it's sitting in the front now. And if you look, you see all this space right here. You can even see this. On this side, you don't see none of that. Sorry about that, y'all. But yeah, it's inside of there. So that made a big difference with the widening of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. Said that like 3 times. Alright, y'all. She is wider now. Can't really see it on the table, but I will get it out so y'all can see it. It's definitely wider. I like that. But supposed to go pick up a Savage for 50 bucks. Comes with some upgraded shocks, a tune pipe, a big block 4.6. I think I'm even gonna bust it down, or I'm not even sure. But y'all stay tuned. I might take y'all on that ride, so look forward to that. We'll go from there. All right, how's it going, YouTube? So I did go ahead and grab the Savage we were talking about. I got this for 50 bucks. Came with a body, some adjustable shocks, whole bunch of stuff. It's not the X model, so it's did come with a big block, 4.6. The engine is good. It does spin. Came with a I'm not sure if this is steel spur gear. I think it is. Came with reverse. So, but the only thing is, this is a 2-speed and it doesn't have the window at the top. So I'm gonna take the reverse out of here and put it in my 3-speed transmission, which should work. Has a module in there I gotta take out, put it in mine. But it came with 3 servos. So basically, alright, so I'ma actually ask y'all. I really got room for any more damn cars. I'll do a tour of my collection one day, but I do wanna ask y'all, what should I do with this? This motor is coming out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in my Savage and take the 25 and put it in my boy's buggy for now. But that's the pipe that came on there. No, it's not a bad setup. The tires, it's the HPI stock tires. Dog got hella grip. Yeah, it's not a bad truck for 50 bucks. But what I was asking y'all is, should I bust this truck down and use it for parts, or should I make it brushless or something? I don't need another truck, monster truck. So I don't know. I'm thinking about just busting it down and using the parts for my other Savage, or I don't know. Y'all guys let me know what I should do. We'll take it from there. It's got a pipe on there. I want to put this on my other Savage with this and see how it runs. But I'm not too sure yet. We'll figure that out and go from there. I definitely need this front bumper. Mine is broke up here, one of the screws. A few things I could use on this. I noticed one thing right here. Let me show y'all if this piece come out. Yeah. See that? See how big that hole is in there? On my other pipe on my Savage is a tiny hole. So I wonder if it's gonna make any performance difference. I might just try this pipe with the 25 and then do the 4.6, but I'm taking this out and then we'll figure it out from there. Y'all let me know what we should do, but I'm taking these shocks off. They're going on my Savage because they're adjustable. Can't beat that. Probably the pipe, I'm not sure. Definitely the reverse, we're gonna do that. I'm not gonna put it right in right away, but I am gonna do it. Anyway, enough babbling. Just want to show y'all what I grabbed for 50 bucks. A Savage. Did have reverse. Couple hop-ups on it, which ain't bad. I am missing a front dog bone. Yeah. So, that ain't nothing major. We'll get it right. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I did forget to add that it came with 3 gas tanks. I'm not sure. I know this is a stock one, but I'm not sure what these 2 is for. But I'm sure I'll find use for them. But I just want to throw that in there. This is I think this is a Revo. And this I'm not even sure, but we'll put them to use. Hopefully it fits something else I got. Get some more gas in there. Nitro. Alright, y'all. I'm taking this motor out already. Alright. Alright, I did get the motor out. So far, everything looks good. I mean, I got extra compression that I could barely spin the motor. That's definitely a good thing. I know she gonna fire up. She got one of those. Oh, that's what it came with. Let me go and show you. I forgot to show y'all this. But it also came with a rotor start. This was already mine. But so my plan is to put a 2S in there. I got a 2S. Put it right up in there. Bam. Yep. So that should work. Just gotta change the connector inside or get an adapter. I'll run a 2S. Start that bad boy up. But I just want to show y'all that the motor is good. I forgot to mention that. We are gonna start it. Look like it need a new seal in the back. You know I'm gonna do my little things to it, get it right. Drop some 3-in-1 in here, clean out this carb, and go from there. Also, I did get a back plate for that CV12 motor. Shout out to Sammy for that. But now I need a bump start. Try to get some more RPMs out of that thing. So I need a bump start. We're gonna be looking for that. Anybody got one they want to sell for the low, let me know. But yeah, this is an update on the Savage. I hope this big block mount fitting something. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in.